Hey there, Class 10 students, it's your study buddy here, ready to guide you through this pivotal year. So, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into an academic adventure. Now I know Class 10 can seem a bit overwhelming. There's a lot on your plate: board exams, assignments, and the pressure to perform well. But guess what? You don't have to do it alone. I'm here to help you navigate through all of this with ease. Starting March 27, 2025, I'll be with you every step of the way. From understanding complex math problems to nailing your science experiments, from acing your history essays to mastering that tricky grammar in English, we're tackling it all. What can you expect from me? Well, in each video, I'll break down tough concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. I'll share tips and tricks that have worked for countless students before you. And I'll make sure you're not just memorizing, but actually understanding the material. But it's not all about books and exams. We'll also talk about how to stay motivated, how to manage your time effectively, and how to keep stress at bay. Because a healthy mind is just as important as a well-prepared one. So mark your calendars for March 27th, 2025. Get ready to join me, your study buddy, on this journey of learning and growth. Together, we'll make this year not just manageable, but truly memorable. Remember, you've got this, and I've got your back. See you soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. Let's make Class 10 the best year yet.